We've said it time and time again, solely relying on cyber liability policy to protect you when you've had a cyber attack or incident is akin to gross negligence. What's even worse is burying your head in the sand, thinking your current IT service provider knows what they're doing and will have your back. Over the years, we've heard of numerous firms suffering cyber attacks or cyber incidents and having excessive downtime of their systems. In a couple of cases, these cyber attacks were the direct result of their existing IT services or IT support provider being hacked and then using their systems to hack these firms. This is gross negligence. 18 months ago, a Microsoft Exchange email system software bug was announced in March of 2021. This software bug allowed hackers and nation-state actors to break into your email server needing no usernames and passwords. They would then leave behind a tool that allowed them to gain access to your professional services firm email system at will. This tool then allowed them to gain a foothold inside your firm from which to further compromise other systems. If you are one of the victims whose email server and existing systems have been compromised from this software bug, and then you made a claim with your cyber liability insurance provider, you may find that your claim is refused. Naturally, I can't think of anything worse than thinking you were covered by an insurance policy and then being told no. Think of it like this: when you buy a car, you get a warranty. However, if you don't keep the servicing of that car up at regular intervals, or you install a modification to that car, it can avoid the warranty and the car manufacturer can refuse your claim. Now, when we compare that with cyber liability insurance, this can be caused by the following factors. If you buy a computer but then don't do any maintenance to that computer, for example, you don't install software updates or you let the computer be old enough not to be able to obtain software updates, then you're leaving yourself open to being refused a claim by your insurance provider. Other things that may lead to your claim being refused can include failure to ensure employees, contractors and suppliers are aware of security issues and how their behaviour can affect the firm and client or customer data, failure to maintain a security regimen and ensure security controls are current and consistent with best practice, failure to disclose pre-existing risks that may have been discovered in penetration tests or vulnerability assessments that have not been rectified, incorrect or deliberately false information supplied to the insurance provider on the questionnaire form sent out when obtaining a cyber liability insurance quote. So, how do you protect yourself against your claim being refused and ensure your professional services firm survives a cyber attack? You want to invest in your IT and cybersecurity protections just as you would invest in the stock market or property. I know it's tempting not to do this because of the cost. One thing you may not be aware of is the return on investment in your professional services firm can produce 200% to 300%. A really good return on the investment in the stock market is between 6% and 8% per annum. It goes without saying that the investment in your professional services firm is the winning strategy. Obviously, you want to partner with an IT services or IT support company with extensive cybersecurity experience that implements ongoing cybersecurity services to monitor the security of your professional services firm IT systems 24/7 by 365. This must be a multi-layered approach across all your IT systems, either in-house, in the cloud, or hybrid systems. The service must also have guaranteed response times, and you must know how long the data is going to be retained for. You naturally want this cybersecurity IT services or IT support company to practice what they preach, or be someone who eats their own cooking. This way you can ensure that you will not fall victim to a cyber attack due to their gross negligence. I can't think of anything worse than having your professional services firm destroyed by someone else's gross negligence. It goes without saying you want to combine the above with a rock-solid cyber liability insurance policy. Naturally, by working with an IT support company who has extensive cybersecurity experience, they'll be able to easily answer the multitude of very difficult questions that the insurance providers ask on the cyber liability insurance quote form. They will also be able to answer these truthfully and correctly, which will then ensure you have a greater chance of success in making a claim on your cyber liability insurance policy when you need to. Robust cybersecurity solutions with a robust cyber liability insurance policy and secure the future of your professional services firm today. Book an initial 15-minute consultation today to let us help you get enhanced peace of mind, increase your team's productivity with reliable systems, ensure you do not suffer the devastating consequences of a cyber attack, and we guarantee it, allow you to be a hero to your clients, and deliver that return on investment you deserve from your professional services firm. To book your initial consultation, go to www.myinfotechpartner.com.au/consult, or take out your mobile phone, open the camera app and scan the QR code on the screen, or call +61 8 6244 2556. Thanks for watching and have a great day.